it was a very sweet conversation. She was like, "You're not as alone as you think you are in our family. There's more of you. You
Okay.
just have never met them before."
Okay.
And I was like, "Okay, fine. I will go and find them one day. Let's see." But khair, anyway, that was a tangent. हाँ नहीं पंजाबी नहीं आती मुझे.
Canadian Punjabi music scene.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh. Addi Sunni.
Um,
I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it because मैं पंजाबी
that's
बोल
how
लेती
I
हूँ.
would pronounce it
Okay.
also. So I don't know.
ठीक
I
है.
think you're pronouncing it fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
तो ये कैसे
maybe
हुआ?
you can put a snippet of the song, and I think it is Addi Sunni.
हाँ.
ये ऐसे हुआ कि ironically, one of my acquaintances was doing a music video as a model, and she had to back out last minute, and she said कि तुम चली जाओ मेरी जगह. And this was the director for that music video with Karan Aujla. And I was like, I don't know, like I've never done a music video before. Like she's like, Nini Jao, it's like $150.
Had you done theatre by then?
Yeah,
You had?
just theater.
Okay.
And other things online. Now that sounds so shady, but yeah, the YouTube scene.
We'll get to the shady YouTube scene.
I was like, other things online. I was like, okay, if I don't reveal what it is at this point, it's
हाँ.
bad. Okay. So she didn't go. And she was like, "Tum chale jao meri jagah." And it was $150. And for me, $150 at the time was a very big deal. And I was like, "I'll split it with you." She's like, "No, please just go." I went. The director really liked me. It was a lot of fun. I think I had the edge of being a theater performer. So I think there was an ease that I had that they didn't find previously with other models.
Yeah.
So the director, Rupan Bal, was like, "I'm going to put you in my videos." I was like, "Okay, sure." And then I did Jazzy B.
Give me the money, give me the opportunity.
Huh?
I'm in. Yeah.
I was
और
like,
क्या
why
चाहिए?
not? Yeah. And it was fun. It was just
Yeah.
like bhagte, dorte hue, with one camera, taking shots here and there. That's it, whatever. You get your money at the end of the day. It's pretty cool. It was a lot of fun and it was quick money.
Yeah.
Then I did a music video for Jazzy B, who, कौन सा गाना था? जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटिया. That was my second music video.
I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's also out there.
Okay.
And there was like a couple other music videos with the same director, and
That's
he
a
was
बड़ा famous
like,
गाना है ये तो.
yeah, that one, I wasn't in that music
Okay.
video, but
Okay.
a recent one. Where was I?
Music videos करी फिर हाँ.
Then I did the music videos, and then he was like, Rupan's also, he's such a, the person that's like कीड़ा जो कहते हैं, he's like he's such a, I don't know the word for it. He was like, I'm going to get you ready to be good for a Karan Aujla music video.
Okay.
And he would kind of like hang that over my head. And I was like, okay, fine, sure. He's like, no, you need to be good enough for it. You need to brush up on your Punjabi. You need to do this, you need to do that. I was like, okay, good, whatever. And then, yeah, one day he was like, okay, yeah, let's do a music video. Karan's on board. He wants to
Yeah.
meet you.
Super.
Let's
उस
get
वक्त
on
जो
set.
conservative family थी, उनका क्या वो were they making peace with it now? Okay, अच्छा ये तो.
At this point they were, and also like I think my USP for Punjabi music videos was the fact that I would do the roles that required crying
Yeah.
and required a more conservative look.
Made for Pakistani television.
बस
ये
क्या
तो
कह
वही तो
सकते
होना
हैं?
था.
Yeah, ये तो
ये तो
होना
होना था अगर
बस
रोना
ये
आ
था.
जाए और conservative आप हो जाए
I
तो.
know. That's
पता?
it. Which is so funny because I was like, I tried to like push against that, but we'll come towards that later. But yeah, and then that was it. That was in the music video. It was a lot of fun. It was like a 12 or 13-hour day. Karan was great. Karan wasn't as famous as he is now
Back then, yeah.
at that time, but he was still, everyone knew that.
And this was what year?
This was 2022?
21,
21,
22?
22, 21.
हाँ, फिर भी he was big enough.
He was big
He
enough,
was
but
big.
it was
He was
more of
big.
those things like people who knew Punjabi music knew him,
Yeah.
but now I think he's more of like a everyone knows him
Yeah.
type of deal.
किसी भी नए एक्टर को आप देखते हैं टेलीविजन पे तो ऐसा लगता है कि ओ अभी आया इतना फेमस हो गया या ओ ओवरनाइट फेम, बट ओवरनाइट नहीं होती है.
नहीं होती.
ओवरनाइट नहीं होती, बड़े
नहीं
सालों की
होती.
मेहनत होती है.
ऐसे ही.
डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं. आपने म्यूजिक वीडियोस करी, यू डिड थिएटर, यू डिड दोस शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, यू आल्सो डिड अ बिट ऑफ व्लॉगिंग. सो यू डिड, आई मीन पूरा वो आप करते हैं, यू गो थ्रू द रूटीन्स एंड And that all added and sort of helped you with your acting
Definitely.
experience and
It
everything.
added so much value.
Added value, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So when did you decide कि अच्छा अब मैं अपना बोरिया बिस्तरा उठा के अब पाकिस्तान जा रही हूँ
You know,
मैं
never-
चली बस
मेरी जिंदगी में कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैंने कोई firm decision किया हो. Even like our family's decision to go back to Canada जब मैं 15 साल की थी, it was just like कि हाँ हम लोग जाते हैं summer के लिए वापस आ जाएंगे. Then we went, and then some family issues and stuff happened, and then it was just like, okay, fine, I guess we're just going to stay here. And we left for summer. We ended up now, it's been like what, 11 years since we've been back in Canada.
yeah
So I think मेरे लिए पाकिस्तान आना, it wasn't such a big deal because I was like, let me just go check it out.
going back home perhaps also that feeling
For sure, because मेरे लिए Canada, Toronto never felt like home.
right
तो I think there was always this sense कि मैं पाकिस्तान वापस आना चाहती हूँ. बल्कि it's not just me. All of the second gen diaspora people that I know, Pakistani, Indian, otherwise, whatever, they're also jaded by the West. Completely jaded. कि एक तो living expenses are so much.
yeah
The return is not that much. It's a very, plus the weather. I hate Canadian weather.
too cold man too cold
I hate it. People are like, oh my god, snow. आप एक महीने से ज़्यादा रह के दिखाएं
हाँ
बर्फ वाले मौसम में. It's just, it's hell. So that's why I'm like really happy. For me, it wasn't like a struggle or an adjustment. I was just like,
so three things ना एक तो ये कि representation you have an identity here
yeah,
दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि टेलीविज़न कुछ भी हो सबके दिमाग में ज़रा सा फेम एंड फॉर्चून का तो एक होता है देयर इज़ एन अट्रैक्शन राइट हार्ड वर्क तो है व्हेन यू मेक इट टू द टॉप व्हेन यू मेक इट एनीवेयर यू कमिंग इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री बट यू वर कॉन्फिडेंट and I've heard that you manifest things really well.
I do.
You do कि अगर मैंने
Yeah.
सुना है कि if you think of something it happens.
It just happened.
So what's happening there?
I think now manifestation has become a very commonplace concept. But I strongly believe in it. I think even it's gonna sound so weird. You know, I've practiced having this interview with you, and I'm still doing so bad. I'm not even kidding. I think for as long as you and Hassan have been making videos, like I've watched them with my mom in Canada, sitting and watching them. So even me being here is a result of that manifestation. You know, like sitting in that basement in Brampton watching TV and then closing it and then being like, "मैं जाऊंगी तो कैसा होगा?" You know what I mean? But it's very much that. I think I've been very good at visualizing exactly what I want. I don't think it's so much hard work as it is belief. I just, then it became like a practice for me. I would journal the things that I wanted, even, you know, working with amazing directors.
Yeah.
Okay, pause. I don't know if I should say Asan Abbasi or not. 'Cause
Yeah,
that
of
would,
course,
yeah. So even getting to work with Asan Abbasi for me, that was also manifestation because I had watched his previous work.
बिल्कुल
It just, I think, शायद अल्लाह ने कोई चीज़ दी है ऐसी कि मैं सोचती हूँ और वो हो जाती है. Or maybe it's just कि I think, and I could give whatever meaning I want to it, is maybe people like me need to get out there to show that maybe it's possible.
Yeah.
Because obviously for me, I don't make it a point to show my struggle. क्योंकि पाकिस्तान आने तक, obviously there was a struggle, but alhamdulillah, in 2 or 3 years,
yeah
I've gotten pretty far. But
Anika,
again,
you came in absolutely raw.
yeah,
And you came in with no contacts in the
No.
television industry,
No.
network at all.
No.
And, looking for work and, all that. And you did it in a very disciplined way. मुझे पता है कि आपने कोई ऐसी out of the way जाके networking नहीं की लोगों के साथ या,